Hi kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to continue our syllable this week. We're looking at the ah sound this week. So it's a vowel pattern. So we're going to be deciding, does that vowel pattern present itself in the first syllable or the second syllable? So we'll be looking at that. Let's go ahead and read through our words. We have saucer, always, August, although, laundry, nod, faucet, gawking. Gawking means like to stare at something. Then we have awful, author, all right, awkward, laughed, caution, already, sausage. Then we have also, almost, lawyer, autumn, awesome, flawless, meaning like no errors or no flaws, auction, and haunted. Okay, so let's take a peek at our headers. We have the ah sound being created with AU, like in the word saucer. And you'll notice this week that that ah sound is actually coming in the first syllable of all of our words. So like in the word saucer, you'll hear that ah sound in the first syllable. All right, let's look at our next header. We have off. We have the sound ah made with AW. So we have the word awful. Here's our AW pattern, and you'll see again it's in the first syllable. Then we have the vowel pattern AL that's also making the ah sound, like in also. So we'll be seeing that in our words this week as well. A couple things I do want to point out. August, we have a capital letter here this week, so make sure that you are paying attention to that when we take our spelling test. And we do have a couple of oddballs. I don't know if when I was reading through the words, you kind of heard that maybe one sounded different than the rest. The AU pattern in laughed here, we have the AU pattern, but you're not hearing ah, you're hearing ah, so that's going to be one of your oddballs. I'll put a little star there. And we also have the word all right, so you're hearing that ah sound, but it's being created with an ALL this time. So that's going to be an oddball as well. So you will have an oddball section this week. It's a pretty easy sort, kiddos. You're sorting into the AU, the AW, and the AL this week with a couple of oddballs mixed in. If you have any questions about the meaning of any of these words, please raise your hand and we'll be around to help. All right, grab your scissors and happy sorting.